Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. Thanks for joining the family. On this channel, we talk about everything simple living through Jesus, health and finances. Don't look any further. If you are here, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it, so that you wouldn't miss any video from me. While you are checking me out on YouTube, you might as well check me out on Instagram. I'll leave my handle on the screen below so that you go check me out. I'm trying to post on Instagram every day, and also on YouTube, I'm trying to post 3 times a week. So come on in and join the family. Thanks for checking me out today. In today's video, I'm going to plan my month with you. December is going to be a very busy month, and I'm so glad that it's December. I'm so glad and thankful to God that it's December. The year didn't start as planned, but we are in December, so we are so grateful. We are thankful for God, for life, for family, for job and everything. I'm super glad that it's coming to an end for 2020. I'm going to share with you how I plan my monthly for my budget and also for my YouTube and Instagram. If I have appointments coming up, I also put it in my planner. I realized that I like planning my life with the paper planner on the digital one that you do it on your phone. On the other hand, my husband is a digital person, so we kind of do both. But I mostly have to have my planners, write everything down, appointment, what I'm going to do for the day, because I'm a busy mom. Very busy mom. So if I don't plan, I'll fail. So planning is very good if you plan. If you plan using the digital, that's fine. If you plan using the paper, that's fine. I don't do any fancy stuff, but with my planning coming year, I'm using the paper planner. So I'm going to continue with that. So you will see if you join the family, and if you are here, you're going to see how I'm going to plan my life. So let's get into the video. So this one is the one I use to plan my budget for the month, my budget layout. That's the Happy Planner. And this one is from Me to You Planner, and I use that one to plan YouTube videos that are coming up, and also for doctor's appointment for the kids and myself, and also for Instagram and others. So for the month of December, I'll go ahead and do my monthly layout for the budget. So what I do is that I'll go ahead and take the sheet out. I'll bring it back in after. So for the first, I have my mortgage going out, and that one is $933. I have life insurance, and that one is $26. I have Kwame, that's my son, and that one is $50. Then I have Christmas. I'm putting money in my Christmas since it's the beginning of the month, because we don't have a lot in the Christmas envelope. So I'm going to add $40 so that we can use to buy stuff for the kids. Then for the 7th, I have my toiletries going out, and that one $30 going to the envelope. I have baby stuff. I have long ones, so this envelope is very important to me. We have $100, and I also have an envelope for Sam's Club. So we buy stuff in box, and that one is $100. Then when you come to on the 14th, I have my mortgage again. I divide my mortgage into 2. One go out on the 1st, and one also go out middle of the month. And I have miscellaneous, which is $50. And I have my car insurance. For this month, it will go out $29, which is $202. Then on the 3rd, I have my pocket money, which is $50. I have food envelope, which is $300. Then I have gas, which is $50. Then on the 4th, I have clothing, which is $20. And I have a turtle. I used to have a turtle and a fish. The fish is dead. So now we only have a turtle, so we put $10 in the envelope for the turtle for food. I'm so sad. We all cried when the fish died. It was so bad, all the kids were crying. Then for savings, I put 50. Then on the 11th, I have my gas go out, which is $50 this month. Then I have my electricity going out, which is $100 for this month. Then I have my phone bill, which is $110. 25th, I have my car notes going out, which is $300. Then on the 20th, I have my student loan going out. It's a Sunday, so I'm sure it will go out 21st, but normally it's scheduled for 20th. That one is $300. That's student loan. Then I have internet and cable. Which is $200. So this page, I have my top 3 to be pray more. Then I do working as my exercise. So when I track it, it's really helpful. So for my habit track, I have pray more. I'll use the black pen. So then I have eat healthy. Last month I did very well with my tracker. Then this one will be walking. Goals for this month. I really want to stick to the budget. Then also we're going to do, for the month of December, we're going to do broad mix. It's going to be a very challenging one, but I'm going to challenge myself to do it. And I also want to make sure I work for the whole month. So that's the 3 goals I'm going to stick to. Then when you come to my checklist, I want to make sure I finish the broad mix for the month of December. So for broad mix, it means that I'm going to post video from the 1st to 25th. And some even do it up to the end of the month before the new year starts. So I'm going to challenge myself to do that. And also I have to make sure I plan very well to do that. So that will be the only thing I'm going to do under my checklist. I can't wait to do that. Then when you come here, I'm going to put my quotation for this month. So for the month of December, I'm so grateful that we are in December. I can't wait for the year to end peacefully. It's been a challenging for everybody, but I'm so grateful that I can live to see December. So for this month, my monthly quotation is from Psalm 69, verses 30. So Psalm 69 verse 30, I will praise God's name in song and glorify him with thanksgiving. I'm so glad I'm in December, like I said. Then when I come to this page, I'm going to write my quote for the month. I saw this nice quote on Pinterest, and it says that I am blessed with everything I need. I'm working hard towards everything I want. And most of all, I appreciate and thank God for what I have. And that's so good. I'm so blessed for this month. What God is doing is wonderful. So that will be my code for December. I'm so thankful. So things that I want to get done. For things I want to get done, like I said, I'm going to do broad mix. It's going to be hard, but I'm going to challenge myself. And also, I want to, pretty much what I want to get done is broad mix for this month. I really want to challenge myself. What I'm focusing on is school. I'm still in school, almost done next year, going. And I want to learn stuff about my channel as well. So that's what I'm going to focus on for this month. So let's go ahead and put it back in the planner. Then I'll show you guys for the month of December. So as you can see, this is the monthly layout for December. So I have all the bills going out. Now I've scheduled it on my monthly layout. Then when you come here, I have my top 3 for the month. I have my goals, my checklist, my quotation for the month, which is Psalm 69 verse 30, and my code for the month as well. I love and love it. And what I want to get done is broad mix. Then what I'm focusing on is school, and I want to learn stuff about YouTube as well. I'm still learning. It's not easy, but I'm still learning. So that's it for my budget and some other stuff that I want to do. So this is the one I use to plan my social media content when I'm going to post, and also my appointments and some other stuff. So I have an appointment coming up on the 8th for the kids, so I'll put a sticker, and I also have one on the 11th also for the kids. Like I told you guys, for December is very busy, so I'm going to do broad mix from the 1st to 25th. If I can go to the end of the month, that would be great. It means that I have to post video almost every day. Some people do blogs almost every day, but I'm going to post content on budgeting, healthy stuff, and also what I do in a day in my life with a baby. If you are new here, I have a son now who is almost 2 months, who is 2 months for this month, and we are having a lot of fun with that one. So you're going to see more videos on him on that. So this month is going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to post video. So I'll go ahead and write what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do broad mist for the whole month of December. I'm going to finger cross, hopefully I can do it. So for the notes here, make sure post videos every day. And I also fun on Christmas. Then I'm also going to post Instagram. So I'll do IG. Not going to be easy, but we are going to do it. I'm going to try and post on YouTube every day and on Instagram every day. For Facebook, I want to start doing something once a month. So I have to decide I want to do Facebook Live. Being a challenge in me doing Facebook Live. So I'm going to try. So I want to schedule on one Saturday. So I want to do it on the 12th. So Facebook, which is Saturday. So I'll do Facebook on that Saturday. And also I want to make sure I join the church service. So we do church on Sundays, every Sunday. A Christmas convention is coming up. That one is starting 11, 12, and 13. And also I have to use a different pen so that you guys will see. So that's, and I also have prayer line on Tuesdays. I don't want to forget that. Then Wednesday I have a Bible studies. Then Friday we have service as well. So that's the overview of my monthly for Instagram, for church services, for appointment. I have 2 appointments coming up. Yeah, so that's this for this month. So that's how I do the overview. But normally they have daily one here. So for this one, that's where I'm going to write each topic I'm going to do and also what I'm going to post. So I plan that one as well, like a weekly one that I will do as well. But for the sake of the video, this is what the overview is for this month. So finger crossed, hopefully we can do it by God's grace. It's going to be a very tough one, but we are going to plan and do it. So that's my monthly for this one. And also I plan my monthly for my budget in this one. So that's it. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So I'm so glad for December. I don't know about you, but it's going to be a lot of fun in this month. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you wouldn't miss any of my videos that I'm going to post in December. Thank you. I will see you in my next video.